In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain on Cloudflare. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or a beginner just starting, purchasing a domain on Cloudflare is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. To kick things off, you'll need to sign in or sign up for a Cloudflare account. If you're already a Cloudflare user, simply log in. On the other hand, if you're new to the platform, click the Sign Up button and follow the straightforward prompts to set up your account. One important note during this initial process is to ensure your account email is verified. This is a necessary step before you can proceed with registering a domain, so make sure you've completed that verification step early on. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the domain registration section. On your Cloudflare dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Domain Registration. Click on that, and then proceed to register domains. This is where you'll handle the bulk of your domain purchasing activities. Next up, it's time to search for and select your desired domain. In the search bar provided, you can enter the domain name you have in mind or even a keyword related to it. Cloudflare will then display a list of available domain options. Take your time to scroll through these options and identify one that suits your needs. Once you've found the domain you want, ensure that it's available, and then click on the Purchase button. This step confirms your choice and sets it aside for your checkout. Now, let's move on to completing the necessary contact details and payment information. This part is crucial, as you'll need to input details like your registrant information, admin contact, and billing information to proceed. It's essential to fill in these fields accurately to ensure your registration goes smoothly. You will also need to decide on the term length for your domain. Most often, domains are registered for periods of up to 10 years, so consider how long you anticipate needing this domain when making your choice. After that, select a payment method that works best for you, keeping in mind to review any payment details carefully. Finally, take a moment to review all the terms and conditions associated with the domain registration. It's always a good idea to give everything a once-over to catch any errors and ensure you're fully informed about the terms you're agreeing to. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and complete the checkout process. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased a domain on Cloudflare. I hope this guide was helpful and made your domain registration process on Cloudflare smooth and easy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy domain hunting!